Ladies and gentlemen, I'm surprised this is not me that they start with today on top of the show. But anyways, away, still on peace, still on everything, and you know how we seriously. I'm happy today, because something special is happening today. But still wait before I reveal just to welcome everybody on top of the show for today. On top of the PADI show, my name now Ogbolor, and my co-anchor, very beautiful girl. Today she's just on the low. But I know why she did on the low, but I'm not going to tell him yet. She goes by the name Mayowa, looking very beautiful and on point this morning. Seriously, Mayowa looked very, very on point this morning. I tell her just now, for the first time, for my full life, I tell her this morning, say, baby, you're looking beautiful. I think it's a natural something. But still, I don't know whether you sleep well for night or something. But either way, anything when you do, it are working for you. Make sure say you did do it. If not, you do, keep doing it. If not, you do, keep doing it. Any you are doing, just be doing it. Any which way. I don't know why they form lowness this morning, but somehow, we go rock this show. Any which way. Before this show finish, your craze go start. I believe you die.
Okay, so you don't finish. Thank you very much for the compliment, Ogbolor. Thank you, because for your life. For your life, since when I don't know you. One compliment like this, ever give me since I know you. So today, from my heart, Ogbolor, thank you.
Seriously?
Yes.
No, you go say thank you in a very good way.
Thank you. That kusunko jare. Something where we say you go see insult me before the show finish. So where the thank you come from?
What's wrong with you? Come on. Mayowa, calm down now.
Viewers at home.
Yeah. Viewers at home. But why they forming these viewers at home?
That's good. Presenters. Viewers at home, with a greeting this morning, say welcome to PADI show. Now, for those of you that is wondering what I do, my face is fine like this, I will tell you. When you go to a river, you want to catch fish. Just look for the one that there is crocodile inside. Scrape small back of crocodile.
Yes.
You understand? Scrape the back of crocodile. Put that in a container that is small.
Yes.
Come carry honey. Pour inside the back of the crocodile. When you put that inside the back of the crocodile, you can carry lemon juice. Put small lemon juice inside.
Lemon juice.
When you don't put that, you can mix am. When you come mix am, you can look for lizard left eye.
Lizard left eye.
Pound that, make it dry.
You pound that.
You go dry. The powder from come pour am inside. Come mix am again, mix am. When you come mix am finish, come put am for inside one plate. Heat am, make it hot. Come put am for inside one flat thing. Leave am, make it dry. Come to use and they rub your face. You could just.
Hey, Mayowa.
Yes. Don't forget the ingredient: back of crocodile, honey, lemon juice, and then left eye, specifically left eye of lizard. If you use the right one, if you give you pimples, the left one, come mix am, come put am for fire, make it just do everything.
Mayowa, this is the reason why they always call me for midnight, say you see evil spirit.
No, I don't do that.
Come over here. You don't do anything.
I don't do that.
If you go try this mixture,
I don't do that.
Make I just tell you now. If you don't try this mixture, only you go out for midnight, they shout, hey! Who them be? Where them dey? Hey! Who? Ha! Who? He! Bad dream. Please, no mind Mayowa. He don't tell you the secrets of her looking. Because they do mirror, who is the most beautiful girl on the planet. So please, no listen to Ramo. She's a wicked somebody. She quiet since morning. The black side don't go find trouble. Say, why are you quiet? Please, remain the same. I beg you. So on this P, we go on break now. By the time we come back, we'll start the whole thing with singing the song for my beautiful girl. My girl. Oh, they do a better today. You know what I'm saying? No. So when we got this break, they come back,
Talking about some she been with you and she know who you are, all this stuff. I was like, girl, I don't know who you talking to. You so need to get on my face.
Can you imagine?
All that fake stuff. Oh my gosh. You're such a good listener.
Baby, anything for you. Hey, Ophi, I beg, I did my room. Emergency. I beg, I cannot move. Yes, right now. Help me. Nigga.
Everything to make her stand up, she no stand up. Then show her money. Hey!
They resurrect the dead.
Hey!
Lazarus, come forth. Hey!
Now wow.
Hey, but it's a funny something. It's a funny something. So can I sing my song now?
Well,
Yeah. Want to say from the PADI show, as every B, from me, myself, and I, Ogbolor, and of course, Mayolistic Mayowa. I want to say biggest happy birthday to Uwi. Are very, very beautiful, making sense, gay. You understand? So we get this song to sing to you. You know what I'm saying? Intro. Happy birthday
to
you. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy
birthday
to you.
So we get message for you.
All right, so Uwi, happy birthday. We love you. Mwah. I'm in love with the Uwi. Oh, love you, babe. So back
Shut
to
up,
Yandi.
make I read your message for her.
read my message for her.
Hello, Uwi. From me, Ogbolor. I give to my crazy girl to read for you. Because if you don't believe me if I talk am, as I never did they serious most of the time. You are a blessing, a good friend, an amazing soul, and I totally and completely like you a lot. Anybody will get you for in life gets the best of everything. Happy birthday to one of God's best creation.
Hey, Mayozin. Mayozin, you did read pieces.
I tell you this thing.
You did read pieces.
I tell you this thing. Look, I'm an educated
You are
girl. When I tell you I'm from a London place, don't be thinking it's a lie.
You are a London girl.
Don't forget.
You are a London girl.
This thing I'm telling you now, if you ask me for the meaning of everything when I talk now, I feel don't know all, but I dey read.
Even though I know say you know no book, but either
I dey read.
you get small brain.
Yes.
Mayonnaise.
Who we make they do better every day, so they're going to come out my reading capability. Telling you this thing.
Based on your birthday, she gets sense.
Yes.
You are a birthday fellow every day.
Yandy yan.
Thank you very much, Yandy Yan.
Yes.
Jace.
Yandy yan.
Yandy Yan. Yeah? Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang,
Yandy
bang, bang.
yanni.
All right, Pele to our producer, not to get yourself like that.
They operate in mouth.
Yes.
So in teeth, no fear ever be 32 again.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
not like 29 or 27.
Exactly.
So F young, I'm sorry for your missing teeth.
Sorry for your missing teeth. At your old age.
At
at
your
your old age.
You'll be 70
you
tomorrow.
common teeth at your old age. F young, when will you grow up? When? You still get milk teeth at 79. Eh? Sorry. F okay, just tell me my
tell us
father.
something for inside ear.
For my ear, just tell me see my father. My father did for house, in the hostel. Let's go there.
All right, so everybody they always talk say, if you keep quiet, man talk.
Will
Keep
you keep quiet? Please.
So
continue.
for inside, so now we don't know say the new trend for Nigerian artists be say they don't go born picking everybody they get baby mama.
Yes.
Baby
Yes.
mama, baby mama, baby mama.
Baby
Now
farmer.
the new trend for Nigerian celebrities now to they get children after wedlock.
Hey.
You understand me now? Or if you check majority of them many of them is have a child they have not married.
Hey.
You understand? Now I go give you list of names of the people them. A few amongst a few, I will give you names. There is one, your name is Flavor.
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 Bong,
Him, that one,
Yes.
Flavor. In original name na Chinedu Okole.
Chinex.
You understand? When they say everybody call her Flavor Nabania, international singer, where we say never married. 31-year-old singer, get beautiful daughter from one ex-Delta soap queen, Sandra Okagwe. You understand? Their daughter then born in September 2014.
Okay.
Another one now Whiskey.
Whiskey.
I
Whiskey.
love my baby.
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Whiskey now don't turn Whiz Daddy.
Hey,
In full name
Whiz
na
Daddy.
Ibrahim Ayo Balogun, where everybody they call him Whiskey, of course. Only 24, but a proud father of a handsome son, Boluwatife Balogun.
Pikin, born Pikin.
Yeah, they call him Star Boy. The baby mama, Shola, they stay for inside Ogudu. When they stay born for inside Ogudu for 2011. Another third person, Akeshwish, the Coco Master brother.
Hey.
And I sing Obi
Yes,
Mo.
Obi Mo. Yes,
Now the title of his song. No, believe me.
That Obi Mo, you get one Obi Mo, but you can't sing this or that Obi One own. Now Obi One own you sing.
Wow.
Mayo, why they sing
No
okay
first.
like this?
Obi
What's struck
Mo,
today? You shall get Obi Mo. K-Switch. Now the
But
brother
he
of the
get Obi Mo
Coco.
song.
Ain't get Obi Mo song.
He himself, he have born Pikin.
Yes. Okay. Next person.
Another person na Olamide. Olamide Bado.
Bado.
You understand? You go
Bado.
He don't do the second one left for this particular guy now.
He moved Dongoyaro. He
Yes.
took Dongoyaro.
Yes. In girlfriend name na Aishat Suleiman.
Yes.
And then proud father na him may be.
Yes.
Was called na 25 years old. Only. Obafemi Martins.
Footballer
Footballer.
to
You
clubbing.
get it?
This guy know the club for yonder.
And they tell you this thing. This particular guy is now, is a proud father as well.
Yes.
Then Tayo Fanny Ran.
Oh.
This one a Nigerian model.
Yes.
Tayo Fanny Ran, himself, he have a
baby mama and a baby.
He have a baby and a baby mama. Orisha Femi, that one self, be like saying na two.
Even when they hate me, when I do my money.
Yes. Between 9 and 10.
Yes.
With the two different baby mamas. Orisha, a bad guy.
Now Ebu, not be Abraham. He said Ebu.
Ebu. And then Teddy G is really madness. Himself, 28-year-old singer, himself get 2-year-old son.
Akpako master.
And in the flaunt love for him picking. That is okay. His original name is Gabriel Oche Amaini. And then another person na Nice.
Nice.
No
be mistake.
Okolo. Then plenty I go just they call their name. Nice dey there. Medi. I say Shobon. You understand?
You gonna make
Then Ice Prince Zamani. Oleku. Ice Prince.
Oleku.
Himself, you know, what's your business
Tell me
if I have a
something where I
child?
never do.
And then Seun Kuti.
Go.
That Seun Kuti are for shock.
Seun get
Because
plan.
considering the
No, he never start to. This is intro.
considering the lineage.
Na intro,
And
na
then
intro.
Ike Ogbonna.
Model to handsome.
Himself, you have day inside. And then the last person,
How can they sing this guy's song? Why they sing other people's songs now? What they worry
This
this guy?
Timaya, which song he even sing?
He sing different ones.
Sanko.
Yeah, eh?
Sanko is a Timaya. He self is a daddy.
Yeah.
A beautiful daughter.
Jeez.
Barbara.
Barbara.
2012.
Barbara. But anyway, my name no go enter there in the name of the Lord. You no go enter there. You no go enter there. I go marry. I go born. When I don't marry, I go born. Mayowa, you too.
Yes.
You too. Okay, this one onto marriage P now. For Obodo Oyibo for that side. Yeah, that's how groom wake up one day. They say they go marry. They reach for inside church. As the guy say, make it just put one thing on top in wife body. As they are custom, now for India it happen. As a custom, they always demand. As the guy carry the thing, say make it put for the woman body. Now they just faint. Fear one kill him. The guy throughout, they said he shake because of the anxiety and the fearing of a marriage something. As the guy faint, instead make the bride pity the husband to be way faint. Because they go carry and go hospital, go check him. Before they come back, she don't carry another person marry for the place. Carry another guy, say, I beg, if this guy will faint just not ready, next, now she carry another person. When that one come back from hospital, as he just land, boom, he say, in bride with the run, come back to come meet, they already marry another person. He called the beg, go, say, what now? I just faint for you because of the fear. I don't run, come back now. You don't marry another person. Which kind of be on this one
when
now?
When did they tell you now? Say, Mona no they lily liver.
No be lily liver anything.
This is called no liver. No get liver.
But no go back. They say no be small fight too. The two family come dey fight.
Before.
No, he want our wife. This one. They say family they don't finish the whole talk. everybody don't go to their house. So please, for all the married outside there, please. I saw some boys they drink before they go wedding. You see somebody, some guys they hide for their wedding.
But see, to marry woman, that thing you deserve, you need courage.
What's the fear? But what's the fear the guy actually?
Oh, but no, why you never engage?
No, wait.
You don't know say na fear?
At the time of the Lord, it will happen.
But you sound.
At the time of the Lord, it will happen.
Keep quiet.
I'm not the rush, so
No
I never old like that, too. Okay. We go around, go for break now.
You know, say your teeth no dey alright. No, they shout break for our
yeah,
ear.
we'll go break.
We dey go the break.
We'll go the break.
You see, you see that pose for the yard?
Not the pose.
You feel her?
Not the pose.
You dey feel her?
I feel her.
Wow.
Mayowa!
And they tell you this.
Mayowa!
See, what they tell you say, look, in this life, there are stages. Ogbolor don't reach stage like 12.
Hey.
I still get like 1,017,000 to go. But say I reach 12, I try.
No, you try.
What are you saying? Some people, they know they reach 50 till they buy.
Mayowa, I was a hail you today. Just for today. Don't get it twisted.
Okay, now because of the message where you sent me this morning.
Yes,
Now you make you dey hate me.
Yes,
That is the over. Ogbolor, your life is in my hand now. It's over.
Calm down now.
We will talk this gist together. You agree, abi you no agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Anything what I talk, just they talk. I agree.
Okay,
auntie.
I agree, auntie.
You will talk this gist
I
together.
agree,
not?
auntie.
Okay. Hey, Ogbolor.
Survey.
For inside this country where we dey, this world where we dey, so now you know say that usually they do analysis of world most richest countries.
Yes.
Or most famous countries,
yes.
or most populated countries.
Yes.
Now they don't carry another one come out. They say now world most adulterous country. And what is the could say? You are misdoing country.
A torchlighting field country.
I'm telling you something. Where husband and wife is unfaithful to each other anyhow.
Hey.
The most adulterous country. Let me give you the gist now. Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
Hey.
If you can't ask, say why it can't be the most adulterous country. Now because of say number one, you know say they get plenty boy change to get there. Plenty boy where then change to get, and then they also get different beaches for there. Maybe say everybody they come up clothes.
Oh, for the
beach. Everybody they off clothes.
Just
you understand me?
So
I go read that for you from number 1 to 10. No African country even enter inside this one.
Praise Jehovah.
None. All of them. So that means we are still reasonable. Our sense is still okay. Can you imagine? That
all
is
right.
it. Now, Thailand, number 1.
Bam.
Denmark, number 2 with 46%. Germany, number 3 with 45%. Italy, number 4 with 45% as well. France, 43% as number 5.
Salavon.
Number 6, now Belgium, 40%. Norway, number 7 with 40%. Number 8, now Spain, 39%. Finland, 36%. And then number 10, last, now United Kingdom. So we know even the inside. That means we don't sabi anything.
We know they do anything.
We know they do anything. Come on, we are very faithful people.
We are faithful people.
Compared to this people.
Let's remain like that. Make it not be said they can say number 11, Nigeria. It not go happen, no. You will not be adulterous. Mayowa, you not go there adulterous.
Amen.
You will not be fornicators.
Amen.
You will not be touchlighting anyhow.
Amen.
You will touchlight just to the person that God don't give you.
That is the plan.
Exactly. You understand me now? So it will be one man, one wife. Woman. Everybody, boom. You're okay.
Focus yourself.
All right?
Focus.
It's not good for you.
Not good, no.
Please. So for that, we'll go mass break on top of the yarn. Then by the time we come back, then what did
I'm gonna get out, make them show us funny video.
Okay, so
I'm gonna swing your leg like
laugh
this.
the laugh.
Your life is in my hands. Swing it.
Your life is in your hand, oh. Your life is in your hand.
Yeah,
laugh the laugh. Yeah, we'll come back there, we'll do everything.
We don't even see the video.
No, we know. What if they happen just now?
We don't even see
We don't even see the video. We don't do a member for you.
More na try
More laugh the laugh. Oh my God!
Did you even see what happened just now? Funny guy. We don't see her now.
All right.
Ogbolor, but truly the thing funny.
No, it's funny.
Because the guy too short, you hold. Wow.
Wow.
What's happen?
Okay.
This one a land mobile phone.
See me the car they work up and down now.
At all, you know they easy now.
Well, now, wow. People they invent anyhow these days. Oh. Just carry the thing, just shook inside your main phone for a hand. All right, next picture. Yeah. What thing is somewhere for body like this? Nah, this thing though, all those can't drink. Those can't drink opener. Now person convert for a body like this.
I said there's a thin line between creativity and Chris.
You can't put Gary in himself. See Gary. Oh.
Now it's how they talk.
Oh,
wow.
Bayale. You sure you're not being pants with this?
Wow.
Okay, now tissue we carry. Maybe no use and finish for inside toilet. Now you run. Or maybe no flush.
Maybe you go.
Maybe.
Let me run.
As you take off. Yeah, invincible man.
For your mind.
Invincible man, no.
For your mind. No be like that one where enter inside bank saying be invisible.
Yeah.
They catch her like this.
Like, say,
what if money?
Did you know work? Did you know work? But it's not an invisible man. Hey. Hey, whoa. This man, you go know people where they're jobless. The man just carrying children. Say, Mona, come. As we not get work, make all of us they do things for house.
That is called bonding with your children.
Yes.
Come on.
Bonding. Now the same children go see insult you tomorrow.
Daddy, you not get shame for yourself. Your maid a day office. You did a play Jangolova with us.
Innovation, oh my God.
All right.
Okay, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Thank you so much for everybody who they follow us. We're very grateful. As a matter of fact, we love you so much because now they give us the ginger. It no matter how many una be, now una they give us the ginger. Because of una, make us stay here. So thank you so much.
Yeah. Once again, happy birthday to Uwi.
Happy birthday to you, darling.
Happy birthday.
We love you so much.
We love you. On behalf of PADI Cho and everybody with the behind camera and everything, we wish you long life, prosperity, everything will be your heart desire you go see. Amen.
As you make others smile, God will make you smile too.
And that's my way your face no ever fade.
Amen.
All right, so on that P, ladies and gentlemen, we'll end the show for today. As Mayowa just talked just now, please, you can jam us on top at Wazobia PADI on top Twitter. Follow us and we'll make sure we'll follow you back like a witchcraft thing. You understand me now?
And don't forget, say tomorrow na Friday, and on scoff every Friday we know they get sense. Our sense they work. As we be like this, so we know they all right. But Friday we know they extra all right. You understand? So if you want to learn how to not be all right, make it a date. 11:30, same time, same station, same number. Wazobia TV, channel 195, 11:30, Star Times, we are there.
Star Times. Hey, happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey.